Welcome back to Red Button Journal, my viewers and subscribers. Tom and Madge are over in Portland today. There's some gorgeous, gorgeous homes up on the hillsides and down by the sea. All right, we stopped at Long Bay. Excuse me. Boy, you can really smell the seaweed and the sea. Oh, it's so beautiful here. This is Long Bay. And you can see why. Because it's got a really long beach there. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now, I don't know what the deal is here. If they've got some sort of a place where you can walk out on that little rock island. But even if I knew how to get over there and I could get over there, I don't think I'd want to trust that little bridge unless I knew that they're still using it. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. This is a nice beach, but you really want to be careful swimming here. There's some strong waves here, and I think it's like that a lot of the time. See, even here in Portland, people are still very friendly because it's rural part of Jamaica. You know, people are very, very friendly. Oh. They got a little place here I could go sit in the shade, but I think that's somebody's shop, so I don't want to do that. But yeah, it's very nice here, very beautiful. So anyway, we might stop a couple more times, you know, on the road, just to show you all this really neat stuff. It's really pretty, huh, honey? It's really nice. I don't know. I got a terrible frog in my throat. I don't know if it was from breathing all that dust on the road construction.
Those dust.
Or the air conditioning or what, but I sound hoarse and terrible. It's like I can't clear my throat enough.
Look at the water. They just behind each other.
Uh-huh. Yeah, one after the other.
Look at the ocean, man.
You know, really something.
It's something. Look at the ocean. It's just body of water.
You know,
Just dashing.
beautiful.
Dashing, reckless sea. Never still you seems to be.
Keep going.
Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh, although you are glad. Little children love you well. Love all the wondrous tale you tell. Love to see you come and go in tides that ebb and flow. Though so strong and great you are. I don't remember.
You remember plenty.
Yeah.
You got an amazing memory to remember those poems from your youth.
Yeah.
It'll come to you. It'll come to you.
I know. Yeah.
I'd love to get a book that had them in to remind you and have you just recite them over and over, because I love the way you recite them. It's really a nice way you have about doing it. I really like hearing it, you know. So, all right, I'm going to buckle up the car and excuse me, viewers and subscribers.
So this person is coming from the water?
Yeah, he went swimming. Yeah, he was swimming. Yeah, that man was swimming, see?
Oh.
So, yeah.
You understand the sea.
Yeah?
You understand the sea.
Yes, of course. He seemed like maybe he lives around here, either that or he's living in a Airbnb there. That might be an Airbnb there. Yeah. Yeah, might be an Airbnb there. You staying there?
Yeah. Is that Airbnb?
Yeah. Oh, look at the painting here. I gotta do a picture of the painting. See the painting? Yeah, yeah, Black Moses Grocery. There's no doubt about it that the man who is doing right is never fearful of anything. Marcus Garvey. And then there's a painting of Marcus Garvey there. See?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. The artistry. Everywhere you look. Hey, big up. Everywhere you look, you know, you just see all kinds of artistry. They call this what, sweetie? Dead man's turn up in here?
Dead man's turn.
Okay. Okay. Really, some beautiful views, sweetie. Portland's really pretty. Portland's really, well, Jamaica's really pretty. It's not just a single one, you know? Oh, yeah?
We were looking at it at the edge of ocean around here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. All right, my people. We're at Mansion now, and we're trying to find out about getting some fish, some big ones, just to see what they have. And so I decided to come down on the beach here and look at all the fishing boats. So you get a look at all the fishing boats here. And you see why we want to check on fish here, because there's a lot of fishermen from here. A lot of fishermen along in here. See that? Way clear down there. Clear down. Clear around the bend. See it? Clear around the bend. All the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There must be 20 boats here. 20 of these small craft. Yeah. Big fishing village here, this mansion now. Big fishing village. Well, that looks pretty good.
Dog mode snapper. You know, no peel.
Yes, I'm selling myself. I'm on. So I didn't.
We can get one 2 dog mode snapper there.
Sorry.
Dog teeth snapper.
What kind of snapper is it?
Dog teeth snapper. Dog teeth? I said,
Dog teeth?
Dog teeth snapper.
Dog teeth snapper. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look good. Look nice, you know, a nice size. That's a nice. There's a.
If you can find another big one. What kind of fish are this tribe? That's this. You can put him on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, go.
Yeah.
You come like that first, yes, one part.
Uh-huh.
The color.
Yeah. What are those big round ones?
Which one?
The round ones.
Those peel can be not right.
They're called what?
Peel. Peel. Alright, let's get moving. Alright, go on.
Yeah. All right. We found some dog tooth snapper. Big up. You be on YouTube? YouTube okay? Okay. How's it fishing?
Good.
Has it been good? Too hot to be out there right now though. No?
No.
Yeah. You guys do diving or you just use nets? What do you?
Everything.
You do everything. Whatever it calls
Right
for?
now, some pot left it.
Oh. Yeah, because guess what? Lobster just opened, didn't it?
Yeah.
So lobster just opened.
Yeah.
Up
Since
again.
Week, about 3 days now.
Yeah. So you're getting ready. Get some of them legal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I see everything at the pot until it's legal, you know?
Yeah.
When it's legal, we have a lot.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. When I first came to Jamaica, I had lobster like for every meal for a week. And since then, I've only had it like once. I got tired of it. I ate it straight.
Friday.
Yeah, just straight.
So now we have to have a different menu.
Yeah.
Get some fish and some conch and some wilts and
Yeah,
some
I like conch.
fish and some
Little curry conch, or anyway, she makes all kinds of ways.
and
Yeah, even she'll just throw it in our Saturday soup, you know. Yeah. Curry goat. Oh yeah, I eat a lot of that. You got to have a little manish water too. I've already been exposed, you know. Real life.
Don't go no more for no wandering.
Real life.
Next one I can tell you what I.
All right, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, we live over in St. Thomas, but we came over to see some family today.
Yeah.
And
Which
she
is right.
she said when we go through Mentionell, because last time we got a nice fish, nice one. We were going down the road and somebody was just throwing it in the cooler, and we just slammed on the brakes and bought it straight. Yeah. So the lady down the road called around, found somebody with some fish. So she's buying up some fish now. So fish over here are bigger. Over in Rocky Point, they're a lot, smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they're still good, you just fry them up. They're good.
Get everything same way. But in this side, you get the bigger size.
They're a little bit bigger over here. Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah.
Let's do one.
I counted about 20 boats along here. Is that about right? About 20 of them?
Yeah.
About 20.
And there is about 20 gone to sea too.
And 20 in sea. And all these look like they're ready because they got the motor already on them, ready to go.
We have a lot of boat here.
Yeah. Well, all along here, everyone's is, you got shed, motor shed, all the way.
That is it.
Yeah.
All occupied.
Yeah. So, how far out do you go? How far out do you go? How many?
150 miles.
15 miles.
80 miles. Fishing.
Yeah.
Salmon bank.
Okay.
Albatross. Flamingos. All of those things.
All right. All right.
Novas.
That little boat goes out in the middle of that far out, you know? I would be scared to death. My wife, we were talking about going on one of those little boats they have over at the Blue Lagoon, at the Blue Hole.
Like that?
No, just the paddle ones, you know?
Not too small.
No, but she was talking about, I was talking about going on. She said, no. She wants to go on a cruise line. She's not getting on any little boat.
No, that we heard.
I said, but if you fall out over there, you walk the shore. The water's not that deep, but it is at the hole. But around the hole, like going over to Monkey Island and stuff, you can walk. It's not, the water's not over your head. But she won't do it.
Well, I guess it's
How you grow up in Jamaica and don't learn how to swim, I'll never know.
Growing I sea and the river.
You grew in the sea and the river? Yeah. Yeah, you're born and grown right around here?
got to
Right
learn
here?
to swim from you're small.
Yeah.
You can't learn to swim when you're big.
No, no.
Difficult.
It's very difficult.
Got to learn from you're small.
Yeah.
You
I-
can swim?
I can swim, yeah. Mostly I just go out there and float. I just like to lay on my back and float. I got enough fat, you know? I don't even sink anymore.
Well, you don't have no problem. You cannot swim. You don't have a problem.
No, I can swim. I learned to swim when I was...
You couldn't swim, you would have a problem.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, I love to go out in there. The first day I got to Jamaica, like about 3.5 years, I've been here about 3.5 years. When I first came, I went out to Rocky Point Beach and went swimming. And I thought, about 30 minutes is all I can handle the first day, you know, because I'm pretty light skinned. I thought I'd get a bad sunburn. So I go out there. After 30 minutes, I say, nah, I think the first time an hour would be just fine. Let me tell you what, an hour came and went. I was in the water 4 hours. White as that paper cup down there to start with, red as this Coca-Cola bottle by the time the day was done. Oh, I got a terrible sunburn. But I love the sea. I love it. I'd never swam in the ocean. Huh?
It doesn't feel no way different.
No. Well, it's I mean, it's different than a swim pool in foreign. You know? Yeah.
Or your body feels
Oh, my body's fine.
at that day.
That day.
You all right.
Yeah.
Or your skin
And-
just changed.
Yeah, and I got a tan. A little bit of a tan, you know. As tan as a white guy can get. You know?
Very thin. I'm understand.
Huh?
I understand.
Yeah. All right. Well, it's nice meeting you guys and talking fishing. Because you guys don't have to make up stories like they do in foreign with fishing. Because you guys got real fishing stories.
That is it.
That's it. You ready to go? You ready, sweetie? Yeah, she's ready. I better get her home. We can fry some of these up. Blessing, one love, respect. Respect. Thank you. Okay, viewers and subscribers, we're back on the road again. And okay. That's a really pretty old church. Madge jumped out to, we just passed a vegetable stand alongside the road. I don't even know what little town this is. It's somewhere in Portland, and they've got avocados, and we haven't seen any avocados lately, so they could be a little on the pricey side. So just to be safe, Madge is going up to get them herself, so hopefully they don't realize there's a white man in the car. So anyway, I just wanted to say we've had a lovely, lovely trip to Portland, and I hope that you all enjoy so much that you like and you share and you tell all your friends about it and you comment. And if you're not subscribed yet, be sure and be one of our wonderful, wonderful subscribers. Big up yourself. Mad respect. And bless up. And I can't really think of anything else to say, but goodbye.